From today onwards, do not throw away the date pit. This kernel that is destined for the trash can has great benefits. Today I will share with you how to use it to lengthen eyelashes and thicken eyebrows. Guys, I hope you share the recipe with your friends so that everyone can benefit. So we need a handful of date pits. First, put the kernel in a bowl and pour warm water over it. Guys, I'm happy to read your comments. Write to me from which country you follow my channel. Now rub it well to get rid of dust and all impurities. Change the water several times until you notice the water is clear. Date seeds contain nutrients such as proteins and fatty acids, which stimulates blood circulation around the follicles of the eyelashes and eyebrows, and rich in antioxidants that protect eyelash follicles from damage. Then put the kernels in a pot or pan. Now roast the date seeds over low heat. Stir it from time to time until it is completely charred. We get this result. Now we grind it until we get a fine kernel powder. Okay, my friends, now we take about a tablespoon. The remaining amount you can use for your hair. If you are interested, write to me in the comments and I will share with you the recipe I use. So now we will need coconut oil. We take 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil is one of the best and most powerful oils for hair health, whether for eyelashes, eyebrows, beard, or scalp hair. It increases hair density and length in an amazing way. It restores damaged hair follicles and thus reduces hair loss. Now, put the pot in a hot water bath. Stir the mixture until the oil melts. Then we need natural castor oil. This oil is the best oil to enhance the density of eyelashes and eyebrows. Its effect is truly amazing. Add 1 tablespoon, then mix well. Finally, keep it in a sterile glass container. Okay guys, as for the expiration date, you can use it while supplies last. Place it in a place at room temperature. How to use is very easy. Use the eyelash comb brush. Comb your eyelashes and eyebrows with this mixture. Repeat this process daily and leave it on the eyebrows for an hour. As for the eyelashes, leave them on for only half an hour. I promise you that if you use this mixture, you will get thick eyelashes and thick eyebrows in record time. You can notice the gaps being filled with new hair follicles. Guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and see you soon!